focus to Kerala now, where a shocking case of child abuse has now come to light. A 5-year-old was in fact brutally beaten up and tortured by his father and stepmother in Kottayam. With domestic violence being on the rise, children, it seems, are the most affected. Naveen Nair reports.
In yet another instance of brutalities against children, a 5-year-old landed at a government hospital in Kottayam after being tortured by his father and stepmother for 2 years. The state government has adopted the child and lodged an attempt to murder case on the father and the stepmother.
Boy was now it is admitted in the hospital. The government is doing our best and giving the best treatment to that boy.
The state government finally got its act together to come up with some stringent measures to protect young lives. The cabinet decided at a meeting a subcommittee of Home, Education and Social Welfare Secretaries to submit a detailed report. The state will enact a new law if needed to protect child rights. Schools and other institutions to play a key role, and hospitals to apprise the Child Welfare Department of domestic violence cases.
We are coming up with another program called Our Responsibility to Children. Every district will have this, and lot of activities where the counseling of all the parents also happen automatically. So there should be a correction. Right. That is very important. The mentality of the parent should change.
Experts say that a rise in the divorce graph is perhaps fueling domestic violence at home. Now it remains to be seen how much of the state government's steps would help prevent such gruesome incidents and save innocent lives. With Naveen Nair in Thiruvananthapuram, in New Delhi, Ayushman Jamwal.